Imagine a battlefield where machines soar above, unseen eyes watching every move. This is not science fiction, but the reality of modern warfare. The use of drones or unmanned aerial vehicles has revolutionized the way we fight wars. But where did this technology come from, and how has it evolved over time? The concept of unmanned flight dates back centuries, with early experiments involving kites and balloons. However, it was not until the early 20th century that the first true drones emerged. These early prototypes were rudimentary, often used for target practice or reconnaissance. World War I saw the development of more sophisticated drones, such as the Kettering Bug, an unmanned aerial torpedo designed to fly a preset course and deliver explosives. While these early drones had limited success, they laid the groundwork for future advancements in unmanned aerial technology. The period between the world wars witnessed significant progress in drone technology. Advances in radio control, engine design and materials science paved the way for more reliable and capable UAVs. One notable example is the radioplane OQ-2, a target drone used extensively by the United States military during World War II. These early drones played a crucial role in training pilots and testing air defense systems. They also demonstrated the potential of unmanned aircraft for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. However, limitations in range, payload capacity and autonomy continued to restrict their operational use. The real game changer came with the advent of modern computing, satellite communication and precision-guided munitions. These technological advancements led to the development of highly sophisticated drones like the Predator and Reaper, capable of conducting long-range surveillance and even launching deadly airstrikes. The use of drones in modern warfare began in earnest during the conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq. These unmanned aircraft offered a unique combination of capabilities, including persistent surveillance, real-time intelligence gathering, and precision strikes with minimal collateral damage. One of the most significant impacts of drones on modern warfare has been in the realm of intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and other sophisticated equipment can provide a constant stream of real-time intelligence from the battlefield. This constant surveillance has proven invaluable for tracking enemy movements, identifying targets, and assessing the effectiveness of military operations. It has also been instrumental in gathering intelligence on terrorist networks and other non-state actors. Section 5. The human factor remote warfare and its implications. The rise of drone warfare has also raised a number of ethical and legal questions. Critics argue that the remote nature of drone strikes creates a disconnect between the operator and the consequences of their actions, potentially making it easier to resort to lethal force. The use of drones also raises concerns about civilian casualties, as even the most sophisticated targeting systems are not foolproof. The potential for error, coupled with the inherent difficulty in distinguishing between combatants and civilians in complex urban environments, has led to tragic incidents where innocent lives were lost. Section 6. A double-edged sword: ethical dilemmas of drone warfare. The debate over the ethics of drone warfare is complex and multifaceted. Proponents argue that drones, when used judiciously, can actually minimize civilian casualties by enabling more precise targeting and reducing the need for ground troops. They also point out that drones can play a vital role in counter-terrorism operations, where traditional military options may be impractical or too risky. However, critics counter that the reliance on drones creates a dangerous precedent, blurring the lines between war and peace and potentially lowering the threshold for military intervention. They also argue that the use of drones can be counterproductive in the long run, fueling resentment and radicalization in the very populations they are meant to protect. Section 7. Shaping the future of warfare: drones and beyond. Despite the ongoing ethical debate, there is no doubt that drones have fundamentally changed the face of modern warfare. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated drones with greater autonomy, longer range, and more diverse payloads. The future of drone warfare may involve swarms of interconnected UAVs operating autonomously, coordinating attacks and overwhelming enemy defenses. We may also see the development of hypersonic drones capable of traveling at many times the speed of sound, making them difficult to detect and intercept. Section 8. The unmanned frontier drones in civilian applications. While drones are often associated with warfare, their applications extend far beyond the battlefield. In recent years, we have witnessed an explosion in the civilian use of drones for a wide range of purposes, from aerial photography and filmmaking to agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and even package delivery. As drone technology continues to evolve and become more affordable, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative applications emerge, revolutionizing industries and changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Section 9. Conclusion. Living in the age of drones. From their humble beginnings as target practice dummies, drones have evolved into sophisticated machines capable of conducting surveillance, gathering intelligence, and even launching deadly airstrikes. Their impact on modern warfare has been profound, transforming the battlefield and raising complex ethical and legal questions. As we venture further into the 21st century, drones are poised to play an even greater role in our lives, both in the military and civilian spheres. It is our responsibility to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and ethically, harnessing its potential for good while mitigating its inherent risks. After all, we are only at the dawn of the drone age, and the sky is literally the limit.